Back with us is defense and trial attorney Misty Marris. First of all, what do you make of the LA Innocence Project taking up this case? They usually, well, you know what I'm getting at. What do you make of that?
The LA Innocence Project is a very powerful organization that has a lot of resources, and they look at cases where they believe the result has been unjust, where there's convictions that should be overturned and there should be a new trial. They have a rate of about, just under 50% success, Jake. So the fact that they're taking this case up from their filing 800 pages leads me to believe that perhaps there's something out there that we just don't know about today with respect to this new evidence.
Yeah, it's a very credible organization. I mean, and the fact that they're involved is one of the reasons, if not the main reason, we're covering it. And they want DNA testing of items that they say were not included in Peterson's first trial, some of which includes items inside a van that was set on fire close to the time Lacey went missing, which had a mattress with apparent bloodstains. How would this help prove Scott Peterson is innocent?
Yeah, so that my eyes went directly to that as well, Jake, because there's a long-standing defense theory in this case that was presented at his trial that Lacey Peterson actually witnessed a burglary on the night that she was killed, and that she was kidnapped and killed by those burglars. Now, that van is, under the defense theory, is in connection with the burglary, and there was a mattress with blood on it. So the Innocence Project is looking to DNA test that mattress. Obviously, DNA testing, the technology's increased tremendously in the past 20 years, to see if there's any indication that Lacey Peterson's DNA is on that mattress. So that's how it fits into their theory. And if it is, well, that's an alternative theory the defense can raise about who could have done this. On the other hand, there's DNA evidence that was tested at the time, but because of that the just exponential difference in technology, they want to retest it. Now, something interesting is they said there's a lot that's missing from the trial record, so the Innocence Project is looking for that as well. So it seems they're taking this approach of not only newly acquired evidence, DNA testing, but also looking back and doing a diagnostic on what happened during the trial and maybe raising other arguments on that front. But the big thing is, appellate courts do not like to second-guess juries. So whatever happens, whatever evidence they're presenting, it has to be enough that it would likely change the jury's determination or be likely to raise reasonable doubt. It's a very high standard.
Very high standard and a very fascinating case, one that we'll be following. Misty Marris, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you,
One of the
Jake.
most